Yo, what's up guys? Rock here back with another video. In this video, we are going to be doing some things you wish you knew in Scratch. So basically, I'm going to be going over some things that will make Scratch coding easier and a shorter amount of time. And I'm just going to be showing some tips that will make your games look smoother and better and more appealing to players overall. So yeah, pretty much with that, let's get right into it. Okay, so if you're making art for a Scratch project, and let's say you want to make a square as the main character, you could just keep this square, or what I like to do is I like to round the corners of the square to make it look a bit better. So basically how you want to do that is you want to choose the reshape tool, and you want to go to one of the corners and then place 2 points about evenly spread out to the corner. If you mess up, just press the back arrow and try it again. And then what you want to do is you want to go on to the middle point and you want to press delete, and then it should have a curved edge. So and then you can do this for all the points. I'm going to speed this up and I'll see you when I'm back. Alright, so as you can see, this looks 10 times better than just a normal square. Okay, so let's say that you want to make some movement. So basically the standard code is throw together forever, you do an if key A is pressed, key D is pressed, change X by 5, change X by -5, and then you basically run this code, and it works, but it doesn't look very good. So what you can do to make this code better and more smooth is you can go like this. Alright, so what you're going to want to do is you want to create a variable. You're going to want to call it xval. You want to choose for the sprite only. Click OK. What you want to do is you want to do one key A pressed. You want to change xval by whatever number of speed you want. So let's do 2.5. And then we want to change xval by 2.5. And then what you want to do is you want to do set xval to multiplication. I want to do set xval to xval times 0.7, and then you want to change x by x velocity. Okay, so now as you can see, the project has much smoother movement and has a bit of a slide in. And yeah, so that's pretty much how to make smoother character movement. Okay, so this is going to be for your menu screen, how you're going to make your buttons more active and more appealing to the players. So basically what you're going to want to do is you're first going to want to make your button. So I'm going to speed it up while I make this, and I'll see you when I'm done. Really quickly, some art tips before you get into this. You never want to have a solid black or a solid white, because it'll be more appealing to the players if you have some mixed color in your game. Alright, so now that we've got our button, real quickly we want to make it go to 0, 0, and then we can resize it, make it a little bigger. Alright, so basically, here's the code you want to write. So you want to do when green flag clicked, you want to grab forever, you want to do an if else. You want to do an if touching mouse pointer. What you're going to want to do is you are going to want to do We're going to do if touching mouse pointer. You want to do point and direction. We're going to do sin of timer times 1000 plus 90. Okay, so now once your mouse pointer hovers over it, it should shake for a little bit. And then you want to point in direction 90 degrees when it's not touching it. And then you want to set size. If touching mouse pointer, you want to set size to 110 minus size. So you can grab a little size variable. And then you want to do divided by, let's do 3. So now, as you can see, when you hover over it, it gets smaller. Okay, so this is actually going to be a change size by block. So now we go on to it. Real quick, let's duplicate it and put it in this, and we can do 100. So now, as you can see, when we play this, as we hover over it, it gets bigger. If you want to make it bigger, you can just do 200 and 210. So now, as you can see, when you hover over it, it gets bigger and it shakes. Alright, perfect. And then you want to grab this. You want to do an if mouse down. So basically, if it's touching the mouse pointer and the mouse is down, you can basically you can just do whatever you want with it. So yeah,